Alright, welcome. Today we are going to unbox the KREG K5 master system, which has got all the goodies in it. I have to thank KREG and Carbatec for sending this wicked toy out to me to unbox and have a look at and play with and hopefully build some really cool projects with it. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Okay. KREG JIG K5 Skill Builder booklet. Links to videos. Yep, cool, handy. Owner's manual. Pretty straightforward stuff. I'll turn those around. Whew. Look at that. Got your dust extraction there. You've got your holes. That looks good. Ooh, very nice. Can never have too many clamps. We all know that, don't we? Very good. Screws. Not enough screws. But that's probably typical, isn't it? Let's see, we've got a guide. What else have we got in here? Two boxes. That is everything that is in the box. Put that there. Oh, a little guide, some plugs, timber plugs, these little whoosy whatsits, which I'm sure we'll find out what they are soon. This one rattles too. Allen key for adjusting, washers. Okay, I saw this on a video which I'll link to in the description as well. So this is basically a handy sticker which you can keep in here. So what screw you need to what size piece of material you've got. So just a really handy guide to keep with you. And then what have we got? Drill bit, which of course is square, like the KREG screws are. And then this will be the rest of the drill bit. Oh. Yep, nothing else in there. We have a nice shiny new drill bit. So then these, as is my understanding, will click in here and there. So we can hold extra long pieces, and then this should be like that. Now if I pull this out, oh fantastic, millimeters. The metric system, why is anything else? So I can very easily set my depth or pull it out. Fantastic. So that is what's in the box. And then let's have a look. How many screws have we got here? 2.5 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a 10 2.5 inch, 10 1 inch, 10 1.25 inch, 10 1.5 inch, 10 1 1/4 soft plywoods. So this retails for $280 through Carbatec. Obviously I haven't used it yet. It looks like a pretty good kit. I have to admit, for 280 bucks I'd probably want a few more screws. But I don't want to complain just yet, because this looks like a really awesome bit of kit. Looks really well designed and well thought out, and basically now I just need to start a project and build something with it. So that was the unboxing. Now you've seen everything that comes in it. You see what it looks like, and next up we'll have a video showing me using it in action. So thanks for joining me. That was the unboxing of the KREG JIG K5 Master System, and yeah, have a good day.